Alright, so I wanted to make this video due to a scammer email that I got yesterday, and I want to just put this out there because it's probably circulating. I've seen it circulate in the past. It's never happened to me, but on my real estate photography Facebook group that I'm in, I've seen this come up, and it's been a couple years actually since I've seen this type of email come up. But what it is this scammer will ask you if you're available to do some aerial photography, and then they will ask you if you accept credit card payment. Now that was a huge red flag. Like, first of all, you're not even introducing yourself. You're not telling me anything about the company you work for or anything about the project. Just quickly, can you do aerial photography, and can you accept credit cards? Now, let me just show you right now the exact email that he sent me. It says, "Hi, I am Collins Alonso." Yes, I'm throwing your name out there, dude. So if you see this come up, and they're probably using a bunch of different names and different emails and everything, but maybe they're going to recirculate this one. So, "Hi, I'm Collins Alonso. Are you available for an aerial photographer?" Like, that sentence doesn't even make sense, right? "Do you accept credit card as method of payment?" Red flag there. "Get back to me. Best regards." Yeah, okay, best regards. I said, "Yes, I do. Where are you located and what agency are you with?" Now, I will do that no matter who. If I don't recognize the company, and it can be a legit company, and I may, in my gut, know it's probably a legit company, but you want to make sure. So you always want to check the email, find out what company it is, if there is a company letterhead, or if they have their company at the bottom. Do some research real quick. Make sure it is who they say they are. Make sure the email matches up on the website, because they're not going to be able to steal that person's email. Highly unlikely. But so I asked the question, where are you located and what agency are you with? Instantly goes, sound good. I need an initial aerial shoot of the site at all 4 cardinal directions. Again, nobody talks like this. This is scamming lingo. At 200 and 400 feet. And then there would be separate 10-minute video shoot over 3 days with 1 hour daily site visits, including photos and ground video edited with cool music. There's a lot of detail in there which would make you think, oh, maybe this is legit, and maybe he's working for the company and he's new, and he's, instantly that could be what some vulnerable person might think. Be like, "Oh, wow, I got this job." Then he responds back without me responding. He said, "Hello, in other words, the breakdown is as follows: 10 still images, top down 200, 400 feet, look west 200 and look 400 feet, look east 200 and 400, look north 200 and 400, all this stuff. And as soon as we're done with this, within the whole day, the second week, the blueprint will be provided by the supervisor. Then we shall proceed with the construction, and you will be needed on site for 3 days. Overhead drone recording the site for inspection and monitoring, and of course a final image and short video when the project is complete." It sounds legit. Like, okay, I've done jobs like this before. They don't talk to me like this, though. This is what's a huge red flag. Like 200 and 400 feet. They prefer that. Normally I would just say, just call me on the phone and we can discuss what you need, or meet me on site. Of course, they're not going to do that. They're probably in a different country just trying to scam you. And I'll get to how they scam you in a second. So, my surveyor will be working on the property survey during the shoot. This is the reason why I need the aerial photographs, pictures, and video for the progression of the site. My budget is $5,000 grand. So, $5,000 grand. Can you work with my budget? The lot is 0 West Oak Hill Road in Jamestown, New York. So that actually is a road near me, near my location. But I knew instantly that's right near an airport, so I wouldn't be able to fly the drone there anyway. I would have tried to make it work if this was actually a $5,000 job, "Can you kindly handle this project for me? Perfectly remain blessed till I hear back from you soon." Right. All right, I said, and then I just responded back, "The location is restricted airspace, so I will not be able to do this for you. Sorry." Never heard anything back. They're just going to move on to somebody else. So what they do is they will send you payment and then tell you that they accidentally sent you too much. Maybe he'll send me $7,000. on a stolen credit card or a fake credit card or whatever. So my bank will actually accept that money, maybe. I don't know how this works. I've never followed through with this, but this is what other people are telling me is how they actually scam you. So when you do accept the payment they pay you, they say, "Oh my gosh, we accidentally paid you $6,000, or a couple $1,000s over. Can you send the payment back?" You send that payment back, and then your bank realizes this is a fraudulent thing. They cancel the card. You lose all your money. I don't know if the bank, depending on your bank, would reimburse you or not in this situation. I don't know how exactly this works or how anybody would fall for this kind of nonsense, but apparently it does happen. So just make sure you know who you're working with. Maybe if they provide a phone number, you can talk to them on the phone, because something like this did happen to me where I thought it was actually could be a scam. Turned out it was a legitimate company, because it was a company I've never heard of before. So I just quickly got on their website and found the person that was emailing me, and everything matched up, numbers and emails and everything. And of course, everything's been working out great, and I do a lot of business with them. So you always have it can be tempting to jump on every single job that comes through, not putting it through a filter of whether or not this is somebody trying to scam you or not. So I just wanted to throw that out there. Hopefully that helps somebody. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I have real estate photography tutorials coming out all the time. But again, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.